Hello, adventurers! Ever wondered about the hidden gems tucked away in the Philippines? Today, we're uncovering 5 must-visit attractions in the scenic Quirino province. First stop, the enchanting Aglipay Caves, a labyrinth of more than 300 caves waiting to be explored. Next, experience serenity at the stunning Governor's Rapids, a breathtaking sight of nature's beauty. Third, we have the Pensal Falls, a picture-perfect paradise for nature lovers. Then, visit the Siitan Nature Park, a haven of lush greenery and sparkling waters. Finally, immerse yourself in the local culture at the Quirino Museum, a treasure trove of history and heritage. Discover the beauty of Quirino province. Each visit, a new adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.